Are you ready to transform your business with Lean, but you're hesitating because of all the what ifs? You're not alone. Today we are diving into the 11 biggest fears that stop companies from fully embracing Lean and how you can overcome them. When implementing Lean on the shop floor, people often have several concerns, which can vary depending on their role, experience, and the specific context of the organization. Here are some of the most common concerns. Fear number 1: resistance to change. Employees and managers might resist to changes that come with Lean implementation due to fear of the unknown, comfort with existing processes, or skepticism about the benefits. Resistance can slow down or even derail the implementation process, making it difficult to achieve desired outcomes. Number 2, lack of management support. Without strong and consistent support from management, Lean initiatives might struggle to gain traction or to be sustained over time. Lack of leadership can result in insufficient resources, unclear priorities, and low morale among employees. What about you? What are your biggest questions and fears about Lean? Let us know in the comments below. And if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to give the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell so you never miss an update. Fear number 3, insufficient training. Employees may not receive adequate training on Lean principles and tools, leading to confusion and incorrect application of techniques. Poor training can result in mistakes, inefficiencies, and frustration, undermining the effectiveness of Lean initiatives. Number 4, fear of job loss. Employees may fear that Lean implementation, particularly through process optimization and automation, will lead to job cuts or reduced job security. This fear can cause anxiety, reduce engagement, and foster resistance to Lean practices. Fear number 5, misalignment with company culture. Lean principles may clash with the existing company culture, making it difficult to integrate Lean practices in the daily operations. Cultural misalignment can result in superficial implementations where Lean tools are used without a genuine shift in mindset. Number 6, inconsistent application. Lean practices might be applied inconsistently across different teams or departments, leading to confusion and inefficiencies. Inconsistency can dilute the effectiveness of Lean initiatives and create disparities in performance across the organization. Fear number 7, short-term focus. Organizations might focus too much on short-term gains rather than the long-term sustainability of Lean practices. A short-term focus can lead to quick fix rather than systematic improvements, reducing the long-term benefits of Lean. Fear number 8, overemphasis on tools. Lean implementations might concentrate too heavily on specific tools like 5S or Kaizen without understanding the broader Lean philosophy. This can lead to a checklist mentality where tools are used in a rote manner without driving real improvement. Number 9, measurement and metrics issues. There may be challenges in selecting the right metrics to measure the success of Lean initiatives or in gathering accurate data. Poor measurement can make it difficult to demonstrate the value of Lean and to identify areas of further improvement. Fear number 10, sustainability of improvements. There is often the concern about whether the improvement achieved through Lean can be sustained over the long term. Without a focus on sustainability, initial gains may erode over time, leading to a cycle of continuous firefighting rather than stable, ongoing improvement. Last but not least, fear number 11, time and resource constraints. Lean implementations require time and resources which may be perceived as a burden, especially in already stretched operations. If not properly managed, these constraints can lead to rushed implementation and thus poor results. And that's it. Here you have it, the 11 biggest fears about Lean implementation. And as usual, have fun with your Lean implementations and see you!